Paper 1, Chapter 2, ninth class, June July syllabus, Polynomials and Factorization, Exercise 2.5. 14.1. Without actual calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. See, first one is given. Now, solution, isn't it? Solution. So, here sum of the cubes means x plus y plus z equals to 0. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that equals to 3 into xyz. This identity is useful here, isn't it? Now see here, take the sum of the terms, isn't it? Sum of the cubes. So what is the value? X value is minus 10. Take minus 10. Next, plus y value is what? 7 is given. Take 7. Next, plus z value is how much? 3. X, y, z, sum of the bases, isn't it? Sum of the bases, that equals to, see, minus 10. 7 plus 3 plus 10. What we got? 0. So this identity is useful. Now x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So here x cube means minus 10 whole cube plus y cube means 7 whole cube plus z cube means 3 whole cube, isn't it? That equals to 3 into x value is how much? Minus 10, isn't it? Next y value is how much? 7. Next z value is how much? 3. Now that equals to 3 into 10, isn't it? But plus into minus became minus. 3 tens are 30 into 7 threes are, or 3 sevens are how much? 21, isn't it? That equals to, see here, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, minus is there, right, minus, and what is there? 0. Put 0 as it is. So see here, this 21 into 30, isn't it? So 1 0 is there, write 0 directly, or you can do like this also. 1 into 0 0, isn't it? Now 1 into 3 or 2 into 0, what we get? 3 only. 2 3s are 6. You got it? Yes. This is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next one. See here, sum of the cubes are given, isn't it? So sum of the bases means here x value is how much? 28, y value is how much? Minus 15, and z value is how much? Minus 13, isn't it? Now sum of the bases, that means x plus y plus z, that equal to x value is 28 plus y value is how much? Minus 15 plus z value is how much? Minus 13, that equals to 28. Plus into minus becomes minus 15, plus into minus becomes minus, so minus 13. Now 28, add these two, this is became 28, minus 28 plus 28 minus 28 becomes 0. So sum of the bases became 0. Then what is the identity? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz, isn't it? Now use here, that means 28 whole cube plus of minus 15 whole cube plus of minus 13 whole cube, that is equals to 3 into 28, x value, y value is minus 15, z value is minus 13, isn't it? Now that equals to, see here, minus into minus became plus, isn't it? Now 3 8s are 24, right here 4, 2 is there, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 means 8, into minus became plus. See here, 15 13, 5 3s are 15, 5 1 is carry, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So 1 into 1 became 1. So 195. Now multiply these. See here, 195 into 84. Put here 0, isn't it? Now take, see, 5 fours are 20, write 0, 2 is carry, 4 nines are 36, isn't it? 4 nines are 36, 5 eights are 8 fives are, or 5 eights are 40. Now add 8, 78. You can write here 8. What is left? 7 is left. Now 3 by 3. 5 into 0, 0. 1 into 4 is 4. Next 9 into 8. 9 8s are 72. Now see here, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 2 means 13. 1 83. 83 is there. Now write here 3. 8 is there. Isn't it? 8 is carry. See here. 3 by 3 is over. Now leave this into this. 9 into 0, 0. 1 into 8, 8. 8 plus 8 became 16. So 6. What is left? 1 is carry. Now leave this. Take 1 into something. So this is also not there. 1 into 0, 0. So write 1 as it is. This becomes 16,380 is the answer of the given question. Understand all of you? Yes. Now move to next one. See here. Third one is given solution. Take this 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 by 6 whole cube. This is given. This can be written as 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus can be written as plus, and take the minus inside, minus 5 by 6 whole cube. Why we are writing like this means, so sum of the bases x plus y plus z equals to 0, like this. Understand? So that's why we are written given question like this. So x value is here 1 by 2, y value is here 1 by 3, and z value is here minus 5 by 6. Now take x value is 1 by 2 plus y value is 1 by 3 plus z value is minus 5 by 6. That equals to, see here, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus into minus became minus 5 by 6, isn't it? See here, 2 cancels 6 and 3 is also cancels 6. So what is LCM here? 6 is LCM. So 6 cancels in 2 table 3 times. Take here 3, and in 3 table 6 cancels how many times? 2 times. Take, means 3 2s are 6, here it 2 3s are 6, like that, minus 5. That is equals to 3 plus 2 means 5 minus 5 by 6, that equals to 0. 0 by something becomes 0. Now sum of the bases of equals to 0. What we have the formula? That means x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Now use here 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube plus minus 5 by 6, that equals to 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into minus 5 by 6, isn't it? That equals to, see here, numerator 3 denominator 3 is cancelled. Now 1 into 1 becomes 1 into minus 5 by 2 into 6, that equals to 1 5 are 5 minus 5 plus into minus became minus 2 6 are 12. So 5 by 12 is the answer of the given question. Now move to next one. Now see here, in this also given same. See, this can be written as, means 0.2 whole cube minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 whole cube. This can be written as 0.2 whole cube plus this minus can be taken inside, that means minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 whole cube. Now here sum of the bases means x plus y plus z equals to 0. Then what is the formula? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz is the formula, isn't it? Now what is the x value here? X is equals to 0.2, y is equals to minus 0.3 and z is equals to 0.1. Now take sum of the bases. So bases are x, y, z, isn't it? So x value is 0.2 plus minus 0.3 y value plus z value is 0.1, that equals to 0.2 plus into minus became minus 0.3 plus 0.1, isn't it? Add these two, this becomes 0.3, 0.2, 2 plus 0.1 becomes 0.3 minus 0.3. Now what we get? 0.3 minus 0.3 plus 0.3 minus 0.3 becomes 0. So this is proved. Now what is the formula? X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, isn't it? Now 0.2 whole cube plus minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 whole cube, that equals to 3 into 0.2 into minus 0.3 into 0.1, isn't it? Now see here, multiply first these two, isn't it? So forgot about decimal. So 3 twos are how much? 6, isn't it? 3 twos are 6. So after a decimal, exactly one digit in these two multiplications, so that's why 0.6 is the answer of the multiplication of these two. Now into plus into minus became minus, isn't it? So see here, take 0 3 and 0 1, so 3 ones are 3, isn't it? So after a decimal point, see here, 3 into 0, 1 into 0 becomes 0 and 0 into 0 becomes 0, isn't it? This is we got here multiplication. So after a decimal point, how many digits are there? 1 2. So after a decimal point, see here, 1 2. After a decimal point, two digits are compulsory, that means minus, this is 0.03. now multiply these two, that means forget about decimals. So see here, 3 6 are how much? 18. 3 6 are how much? 18, but minus is there, put minus. So after a decimal point, how many digits are there compulsory? Count 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 means put here 0 and point 0. So minus 0.018 is the answer of the given question. See here, after a decimal point compulsory, how many digits are there? 3. See here, decimal point after 1 2 3. See here also 1 2 3, isn't it? Got it? So this is the answer of the given question.